Falcons, and welcome to the Early Birds Show. Today is Monday, October 31st, 2022.
Happy Halloween! Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today in Carrollton, it will be rainy with a high of 75 and a low of 54.
With the weather being so nice, it's a great day for field day. Don't forget your water bottles and a great team attitude.
Today's lunch options: cheesy baked penne, Italian pizza salad, chicken sandwich. That sounds good.
Yeah, that sounds really good. Weird but true. Vacuum cleaners were originally horse-drawn. I did not know that.
Today in history, in 1864, Nevada is admitted as the 36th U.S. state.
Oh. Trick-or-treating rules, Halloween segment. To be safe trick-or-treating tonight, follow these rules. 1. Don't go out alone. Make sure you are with your parents or a group of friends. 2. Take a flashlight. 3. Make sure your parents check your candy first. 4. Be careful crossing the street. Look both ways. 5. Only go to houses with porch light on. They have candy.
Bet you didn't know, Venus is the only planet that spins clockwise.
Wow. Now for the joke of the day. Hey Ellie, why don't mummies take time off?
I don't know.
They're afraid to unwind.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing our best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Ellie.
And I'm Gracie. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.